Day 91 of trying to get the neighbor's cat to love me. Mother, let me out. It is a new day. Oh my goodness gracious, there she is. Hello pretty lady, please don't run away. I am in love with you. Hi. Go away. What is your name, beautiful princess? Leave me alone. My name is Lincoln, and you are the moon of my life.